Your mining fleet can literally move mountains. But machine performance hinges on the reliability of your hoses and couplings. You need a solid plan to make sure you have all the right parts and tools available 24/7. That's a CVA. CVAs for hose and couplings are a smart way to manage inventory while keeping costs under control. The right components on hand, right when you need them? That's a CVA. Fast, quality fixes for CAT or mixed fleets? That's a CVA. Pay per use or utilization-based rates? That's a CVA too. Your CVA for hose and couplings covers repairs and replacements with flexible service levels and fast response times for emergencies. You can choose tooling and training to crimp your own hoses, or rely on dealer hose experts for safe on-site support, from inspection through installation. So instead of waiting days for repairs, you get OEM quality replacement within hours, plus condition monitoring to help prevent failures and unplanned downtime. With 3 levels to choose from, your CVA is a flexible solution to improve your operating costs, inventory management, and most of all, uptime. On-site when you need it. Pay when you use it. That's a CVA. Work with your CAT dealer to customize the right CVA for you.